Hi, this is Andy Doctor. Inflation is very high, everything is expensive. Look at the gas price. And also, parking at the airports are very expensive too. You look at Detroit Airport. This is the official airport at Detroit, and the short-term parking is $38, and the long-term parking is not a lot better. It could be $26 or maybe 18 if you use the so-called big blue deck, but for that one you need to take the shuttle to the terminal. Other airports are very similar. I checked JFK, I checked San Francisco, they're all the same, very expensive. So can we save parking, especially if you are away for many days? The answer is definitely yes. You can park outside the airport, and the way to do it is, for example, we use Detroit as an example. Just put DDW parking, and Google will give you a lot of very attractive options. Hey, $6 a day, $4.6 a day. Okay, they might not be real, but you definitely can click the link and find out. For example, if I click this one, this is what I get. Okay, you can still see $6. Oh, this one is $4. A little bit further away from Detroit, but hey, you know what? It's not too bad. This is another website that you can have, and as you can see, yeah, cheaper than 38 for sure. Now, you may realize many of them are actually hotel, and yes, hotel quite often have a big parking lot, and if the lot's not used, they rent out as parking. Some of them are actually just parking. Here's my suggestions. Call them and book directly with them may be a better idea, so you don't need to pay the middleman to save yourself even more money, probably. Make sure they have shuttle, okay? If they don't have shuttle, you may get stuck, or at least you have to get an Uber or something like that. What if your flight is super early when you're going out or super late when you come back? You're thinking about staying in the hotel. Good options. In that case, you can park your car at the hotel and use the so-called parsley flight option. And we still use Detroit as an example, and you can see all the middlemen, and again you can click them to see their option. However though, usually you can book directly with hotel too, and some of them even list them on their website. This is by IHG. For example, Holiday Express, they actually have the package that you can book with them. They typically will give you something like 7 days or maybe 15 days of free parking if you stay for 1 night. If you stay for 2, then that means can be up to 30 days of free parking, and that should be sufficient for most of us. And make sure they have shuttle. Oh, by the way, many of them have breakfast. They may not be as tasty as the one you have at your vacation resort, but better than nothing, I guess. What if you need to park more than what they can offer for free? Usually, they will charge you a very low price, like $2 or $3 for extra nights per night, which is definitely not bad. So this is what I want to tell you overall to save your parking when you fly. And there are additional advantage here too, by the way. If you park inside the airport, you need to walk to the terminal with your luggage. And especially if you park at long term, it could be a pretty long walk. And if you have a lot of luggage and a big family with you with little kids, you know how stressful and dangerous that could be. When you park outside, the shuttle will take you to the departure door directly, and they will help you move the luggage too. How nice is that? Not only save your money, and safer and more convenient. However though guys, make sure you tip the driver. You're lucky to see some people still happy to do that job for you. Anyhow, if this video is helpful for you to save you money for your parking at the airport, Please make sure you like and subscribe and have a safe travel. Bye bye.